Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for GitHub student benefits. If you are currently a student, this is a great program because it gives you access to GitHub Pro and other useful developer tools at no cost. So the application only takes a few steps, so let's get started. So begin by opening your web browser and searching for GitHub Student Developer Pack. Open the official GitHub page from the search results, and once you are on the website, click sign up to create a GitHub account if you don't already have one. After your account is ready, look at the top right corner of the page and click Start Application. So this will open the application form where you'll begin the verification process. Next, you'll see two choices here, Student and School. So select Student since this is the option that allows you to apply for the student benefits. After that, enter your official school email address, and then GitHub uses this email to send verification codes and confirm that you are an eligible student. If you don't have a valid school email address, you won't be able to continue with the application, so make sure you have access to it before moving forward. Now, click Share Location and wait a few minutes while it finishes loading, and once it is complete, click Continue to move to the next step of the application. So from there, simply follow the remaining instructions on your screen to complete the verification process, and after everything has been submitted, GitHub will review your application, and once it is approved, you'll receive an email and you'll be able to start using all the benefits including in the GitHub Student Developer Pack. That is all there is to it. The process is very simple as long as you have your school email ready before you begin. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.